Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the Chrome profile you'll clean and noting the version. This prevents mixing profiles. Once done, export bookmarks and settings so nothing is lost, then disable sync to stop automatic restore. Next, close Chrome completely and open Task Manager to end any Chrome exe processes. Now, locate and remove any suspicious cleanup tool entries in Control Panel or Settings. This immediately prevents Cleaner Update from running while you continue with deeper removal steps. You'll now remove persistent components. Uninstall unexpected programs named like cleaners or updaters from programs and features. Once removed, navigate to %appdata% and %local app data% and delete related folders. Also check Program Files and Program Files, x86, for leftover executables. Make sure to inspect Task Scheduler and Services for any update tasks or services and disable or delete them. While doing this, scan with a reputable anti-malware tool to catch registry keys or hidden drivers the manual steps might miss. You'll finish by resetting Chrome settings to default and clearing cache and cookies so leftover settings don't reinstate the updater. Then reopen Chrome, re-enable sync, and inspect extensions. Remove any unfamiliar ones. If the cleaner update returns, create a fresh Chrome profile and migrate bookmarks only, or uninstall Chrome and reinstall after deleting remaining user data. One key troubleshooting tip: run a full anti-malware scan in safe mode and check for scheduled tasks. Often a hidden scheduled update task is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.